Okay, sagutan natin itong isang problem na ikinoment sa aking isang video sa YouTube. Ito, dito niya kinoment sa video ko na mixture problems by alligation method. Okay? So how to solve po this using the table? Nakukuha ko po is 25 pero 250 ang tamang sagot. So ito yung problem. A laboratory technician needs to prepare 500 milliliters of a disinfectant solution that is 30% active ingredient. The technician has two stock solutions available. Solution A, 10% active ingredient, and then solution B, 10% active ingredient. So ito yung question, how many milliliters of stock solution A and how many milliliters of stock solution B should the technician mix to obtain the desired 500 ml of 30% active ingredient solution? Okay, so nilagyan ko ng choices. So ito yung mga choices natin. Ayan, hanggang letter E. So try nyo pong sagutan bago panoodin ang aking solution. Okay? So sasagutan po natin to in two ways. Yung tinatawag na alligation method tapos yung traditional na mixture problem. Okay? So sagutan muna natin. Unahin natin yung mixture problem formula. So kapag dalawahan, so we have A and B. So ang formula lang dyan ay C1V1 plus C2V2 is equal to C3V3. Where itong V3 ay equal sa V1 plus V2. Okay? So ano yung mga given natin dito? So gawa tayo ng table. Yung C, ibig sabihin nito ay concentration. Ito yung may percent. Ito namang V, ito yung mga volume. Okay? So gawa natin ng table. So yung concentration yan, yung percent. And then V, yung volume. So sa given natin ml. So ml na lang ang ilalagay ko. Okay? So ang unang given natin dito sa A, ang A daw 10%. And then yung B naman ay 50%. Pag pinaghalo sila, ang hinahanap natin ay 30%. So itong V3 ay 30%. Tapos ang total daw ay 30% of 500 ml. So itong total dito, itong V3 ay 500 ml. So hindi natin alam itong ml ng A tsaka ng B. So pwede nating lagyan ito ng X. Tapos itong sa V2 ay 500 minus X kasi ang total nila ay 500. Okay? Kaya kung yung isa ay X, itong isa dapat ay 500 minus X para maging total ay 500. Okay? So yan lang ang formula na gagamitin natin. Okay? So ngayon, i-apply na natin ang formula natin, C1V1 plus C2V2 equals C3V3. So i-multiply lang natin ito. So we have 10X plus product of this. So we have 50 times 500 minus X equals product nito C3V3. So we have 30 times 500. So pwede na agad nating i-simplify pala ito dito kasi ang tingnan natin yung mga coefficients, meron tayong 10, 50, tsaka 30. So pwedeng para ma-simplify na agad, i-divide natin both sides or each term by 10. So para mawala na itong 10 dito. So divide natin lahat by 10 para ma-simplify. So cancel na ito. So we have X plus 50 divided by 10. So we have 5 times 500 minus X equals 30 divided by 10. We have 3 times 500. Okay? Then let's just simplify, distribute this. Just copy this X. X plus 5 times 5, we have 25. Copy the two zeros. So 2,500 minus 5 times negative X. So we have negative 5X equals 3 times 500. That is 1,500 or 1,500. Now solve for X. So combine the X. X minus 5X. That is equal to negative 4X. Okay? So just copy the rest. Plus 2,500 equals 1,500. Combine this. So subtract 2,500 on both sides. Okay, so this will cancel out. We have negative 4x is equal to 1,500 minus 2,500. So we have negative 1,000. Last step, divide both sides by negative 4. So remember, negative divided by negative, that will be positive or no need to write the sign. So just divide this 1,000 divided by 4. X is equal to 250 ml. Okay? So therefore, the value of this X, the A, is 250 ml. And then therefore, the stock solution of B will also be 250 ml because the total is 500 ml. So 250 plus 250 is 500 ml. The correct answer is letter D. 250 ml of both solution A and B. Okay, so another solution, let's use the alligation method. So let's use the alligation method. So for the alligation method, so we just same let's construct a table percent and ml. So for this one, we will write the 10% and then the 50% and then the total 30%. Okay? And then we write this x and then the other one is 500 minus x. And then use the formula. So if we write the table in this form ABC, and then we have XY. So the formula for this is B, subtract this B minus C over C minus A. So B minus C over C minus A is equal to X over Y. So this is the formula for the alligation method. So we just need to put all the given in this form A, B, C where B is greater than A. Okay? So substitute all to this formula. So we have 50 minus 30. So 50 minus 30 over 30 minus 10. So 30 minus 10 is equal to X over Y. The value of Y is 500 minus X. Okay? Then just simplify, subtract this. So we have 20 over 30 minus 10. So another 20 is equal to X over 500 minus X. 20 over 20, this will be 1. Lowest term. So this will be 1 or 1 over 1. And then just cross multiply. So we will get 1 times 500 minus X is 500 minus X equals 1 times X. We have X. Okay, so combine the X, put this on the other side. So add X on both sides. Cancel this. So therefore, 500 is equal to X plus X. We have 2X. Finally, divide both sides by 2. So therefore, the value of X is equal to 500 divided by 2 is 250 ml. Same answer. The 10% is 250 ml. And then the 50% active ingredient is also 250 ml. Same answer of letter D. That's all. So if you have a math question, just thank you for watching. So if you have math question, just send me a private message on my messenger, RJ Enseñado, or comment on this video, GTR Math Tutorial. Bye-bye and God bless.